That I have my 6 cups of flour into the 7 eggs that I used. And I'll leave you for a while because I'm going to knead this, and then I'll be back when I cut the little balls for the macaroni machine. Cut off a small amount of the dough. I'll show you what size it was. And make a little ball. And even this is a little big. I would say a little smaller than this. This is what will be ready for the macaroni machine. I put the dough under a glass bowl so that it doesn't dry out. And on your macaroni machine, I go to the high setting of number 4, which is adjustable on the side here. It gives it an additional kneading. However, this is still too thick, so from 4, I take it down again to number 2. This makes it nice and smooth. As you see, it's getting larger and thinner. And then I bring it down to number 1. And I don't go too much lower than this because the dough will be too thin. So you could bring it down to number 1. The 0 is nice for a very, very thin dough. So this is the strip that we have, and I'm going to show you just this strip because what I do after this will be repetitious. It will be the ball, putting it through number 4, 3, 2, down to number 1 until it gets nice and thin. And then you take your Cappelletti cutter and just run it over nice and hard. And that gives you these little blocks. And I don't make too many at a time because they will dry out too. Press down as hard as you can and have a sharp knife in the event that it doesn't cut through, as you can see right now. Now this is where the tricky part comes in. And we take a little ball of our filling, not too much. Give it a little roll, put it on your dough, and we do it again. Think about family and times.